After several high-profile attacks on the TTC, a new report has confirmed what many already knew. Violence against passengers is up dramatically, and it's still unclear whether or not safety measures put in place last month are working. The numbers paint a grim picture for transit users, confirming fears that the TTC may not be as safe as it used to be. Last year, the number of violent incidents against passengers was up 46% from the year before. But more surprisingly, it was up 60% from 2019, pre-pandemic, when 30% more people were using transit.
And that's where the concern is, because the ridership levels were much higher in 2019.
The numbers are also up month to month, 145 incidents in December last year, up from 100 incidents in November.
Like everyone, we're concerned when we see these numbers going up. It's why we've responded the way that we have.
Exactly 1 month ago, Toronto Police announced it would increase its presence with an additional 80 officers patrolling transit 24 hours a day. The TTC also adding 20 community safety ambassadors and 50 security guards throughout the system. But since then, there have still been several high-profile incidents, including one just last week when a woman was slashed in the face at Spadina subway station. The effects of the measures still unclear.
So we don't have any hard data just yet. We're still collecting that. What I can say is that anecdotally, we're hearing from customers and employees that they're already feeling safer riding public transit.
The physical, visible presence of police matters. It gives people, commuters, confidence in the transit system, and it may not resolve the bigger issue, but it certainly brings confidence that we need.
But the move to add more police has largely been criticized by some community advocates who say not only will it make some racialized communities feel unsafe, but also fails to address the root causes of violence.
But instead, we're taking this road of policing and surveillancing.
And there are fears safety risks will only increase as the TTC runs 9% less service this year compared to pre-pandemic levels.
Service cuts isn't going to make things safer. The government has failed in resourcing this public service, and it's falling on the back of working poor, Black, racialized, Indigenous communities.
Now, the provincial government did announce just today it is providing additional funding to improve local transit to municipalities across the province. That includes almost $186 million just for Toronto to improve things like extending service hours.